Today we have the 2018 Honda CR-V. This vehicle has done just over 68,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, smartphone integration, information, web browser, audio and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.